Audio Jungle.
Welcome to DevTech 101, aka Black Mantle, as we discuss information technology, also known as IT. In today's episode, people, I want to share a very special video with you on terminating a cable. And if you're using a Cat 5e, Cat 6 cable like I have right here, this is a Cat 6. I'm going to show you how to use these special tools that I have in order to make your cabling straight, so that way that you are successfully able to do so. Now, keep in mind, this is just for education and entertainment purposes only. I am not responsible for any data cabling issues that you may have watching this video, so strictly use it for that purpose. So the tool that I have here is basically a cable untwist tool, which is this black and gold tool here. I have my wire cutters as well as my wire trimmers as well, and you can also use this to terminate the cable in the RJ45 jack. So I'm going to go ahead and move some of these tools aside, and I'm going to bring them in one at a time so we can use them. Keep in mind there's going to be sheathing inside the Cat 6 cable, which is going to be this right here. It's like a little plastic piece you're definitely going to need to cut off, but this is what separates the 4 pairs of cables that you have, so you can actually throw this away, so it's not going to hurt anything, people. So I'm going to do just that. But before I get started, I'm going to go ahead and cut my cable so you all can actually see me do this real time here. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my cable in, and I am going to cut. Get that out of the way so we all can move forward and get this done here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. So now that I have my cable cut, I'm going to go ahead and brush my little wiring pieces apart. I'm going to take my cable cutter here, and I'm going to basically just untwist a little bit of the cables here. So I'm going to go ahead and circle around that one time and pull that off. The little screw here is what you can use to actually open this up and close it just a little bit more if you want to. And you basically just break the cable away, people. Break it away like that. Take your sheathing. Make sure you cut that from around there. I didn't have my little small cutters here to do that the way that I want it, but this is just a demo video, so it really doesn't matter anyway. And so this piece right here, which is going to feel like a little bit like hair, this is what you can use to actually pull down with some pliers to expose more of the cable if you want. Some people like to cut that off. Some people like to just tuck it down when they have their RJ45 jack in there if they need to use it at a later time, but it's totally up to you. And what I'm going to basically do, people, is basically take my end here, and I'm just going to apply just a slight little bit of pressure and push this inward, and I'm going to basically going to untwist the cable. This end has one side that is very wide and one side that is very small. I like to use the small side on the Cat 6 cable. So I'm going to push in and twist, and as you can see, the wire right there is there. Push in and twist as well here. And see the cable right there is untwisted. Same here for the brown, white, brown side. I'm going to just make sure the cable is in there. I'm going to just twist, and twist until I get down to the end. It's untwisted. And same for the blue, white, blue side, people, is I'm going to actually put this in there and twist it, and voila. I have all my cables untwisted there, and they're pretty neat. Now, one other thing that you can do is you can actually cut the little sheathing off that's there, and you can do that just by using your wire cutters if you want as well. It's totally up to you which way that you want to do that. And for the most part, people, you can start to pull up your pairs. So you have your white, orange, and then you have your white, green there, white, green, blue, white, blue. So you have white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green. And you may want to expose a little bit more cable if you're going to be actually terminating this. It's totally up to you. I'm just showing you for demo purposes here. And then white, brown, brown, white, orange, orange. So we have white, orange, orange. Then we have white, green, white, green, blue, white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, and then white, brown, brown. And be sure you cut your sheeting down, you all, so that way you can actually see your cables exposed a little bit more. But once you have your cabling set the way you want it, then your next step is to basically get everything aligned, kind of neat. And mine's going to be a little bit short because I didn't expose enough of the cable, but this was just for a demo purpose for you all for the video. Then you basically take your cable cutters and you just kind of trim just a little bit off, so that way they all are even. They're all are even before you place them in the Cat 5 or Cat 6, Cat 5E or Cat 6 RJ45 jack. And so once they're kind of even like that, you all, then that's when you will slide them into the RJ45 jack, and then you will take this part of the tool and clamp that down in there, and that is all to the video, you all. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this for the next use. And this is just a test cable here, you all, so it's not connected to anything, so don't think that I'm doing a live cable here. But yeah, definitely post any questions you have in the comments below. People, I'm definitely going to be doing some more videos with our cabling and everything, so definitely like, listen, and subscribe to the channel. DivTech 101, aka Black Mantle. Look forward to talking with you soon.